Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Today we're diving into a hot topic, where to learn AI tools. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your skills, I've got you covered with some fantastic resources. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries all around us, and learning AI tools can open up incredible opportunities. But where do you start? Here are some of the best platforms and resources to get you up to speed with AI tools. First up, we have Coursera. Coursera offers a range of AI courses from top universities like Stanford and companies like Google. You can find courses on machine learning, deep learning, and specific tools like TensorFlow. The best part, many of these courses come with certification options which are great for your resume. Check out the machine learning course by Andrew Ng. It's a fantastic starting point if you're new to AI. For those looking to dive deeper, deep learning specialization by Andrew Ng is also a must. Next we have Udacity. Known for its Nanodegree programs, Udacity offers comprehensive AI courses that include real-world projects, mentorship, and career services. The AI programming with Python Nanodegree is perfect for beginners, while the deep reinforcement learning Nanodegree is great for more advanced learners. Udacity is excellent for those who want a structured learning path with hands-on projects that you can add to your portfolio. edX is another fantastic platform offering courses from universities like MIT and Harvard. You can learn about AI principles, machine learning algorithms, and specific tools. Courses like Artificial Intelligence by Columbia University provide a solid foundation in AI concepts. Many edX courses also offer a verified certificate upon completion, which can be a great addition to your LinkedIn profile. Kaggle is a unique platform where you can not only learn but also practice AI and machine learning through competitions and datasets. Kaggle Learn offers free micro courses on a variety of AI topics, including Python, machine learning, and deep learning. One of the best ways to learn is by doing, and Kaggle's competitions allow you to apply your skills in real-world scenarios while competing with data scientists around the globe. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube. Channels like Sentdex, 3 Blue 1 Brown, and 2-Minute Repairs offer fantastic tutorials and insights into AI and machine learning. These channels can help you understand complex concepts through visual explanations and coding tutorials. Make sure to subscribe to these channels and watch their playlists on AI to complement your learning journey. Lastly, don't forget about traditional resources like books and blogs. Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Géron is a highly recommended book. For blogs, check out Towards Data Science on Medium for a wealth of articles written by AI practitioners. Reading books and blogs can provide deeper insights and keep you updated with the latest trends and techniques in AI. That's it for today's video on where to learn AI tools. I hope you found these resources helpful. Remember, learning AI is a journey, and there are plenty of resources out there to help you along the way. If you have any favorite learning platforms or tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, happy learning. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.